Bitch, I wake up, no stylish. Fresh as fuck, I put it on.
Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing, well, it's actually Halloween, so happy Halloween.
Bitch, I wake up, no stylish.
I am wearing a shirt, so you guys can see I'm wearing a shirt, but this is the look we're going for. It's kind of like a skeleton, but yeah, so I'm going for this like lizard skeleton thing, and it looks really cool. But I mostly wanted to do a try-on haul of Miss Lens contact lenses. They're sponsoring today's video, so thank you so much. And yeah, I'm gonna try on a couple of different lenses for you guys. Well, at least show you the ones, you know, that they sent me, and then we're gonna pick one pair to wear with this look. I have two like runners of which lenses like I want to wear, so we'll see at the end which one I'm gonna choose. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly finish this makeup off the camera. I'm gonna post a full tutorial on my TikTok, so go check that out. I dropped my phone, but shh, no one saw that. Alright bestie, so this is pretty much all for the makeup, and I'm gonna put the wig on real quick. Let me go grab it actually. Alright, so I put my wig on. This is pretty much the final look, and now to the fun part. We get to pick the contact lenses, so I'm gonna show you guys the few different styles that Miss Lens sent me. So these right here, they're the white lenses with the black rim. They're super cute. Let me get them out of the packaging to show you guys. Okay, so this is how they look. I don't know, I was thinking about kind of wearing these with this. I feel like that would look cool. Let's see what other options we have. Okay, so this is the second pair. These are like red vampire contacts. I mean, I feel like this would look sick too. I don't know. Why would they all pretty much like match this look? That's weird. Then I have another pair too. So this is the third pair. These are like the yellow ones. Honestly, even this. Sad. Why are all of them actually kind of matching this? That's pretty cool. So that's that. What else? Oh yeah, so these were like my #1 choice, but I don't know, I'm kind of indecisive between these. But look at these. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should we do this or this? Alright guys, I think I decided I'm gonna go with these, the white ones with the black rim, because I feel like this is just gonna match this look so much better than the other ones. Alright besties, so I have the contact lens right in here, and you're about to see me and watch me put this lens in. Oof. Okay. Whoa, this looks sick. Alright besties, so this is the final look. Thank you so much, Miss Lens, for sending me these contact lenses. They're sick. I'm literally in love with this look. Whoa. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. We did a little try on haul while I did my Halloween makeup. Once again, happy Halloween, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at simi_violet. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Bitch, I wake up, no stylish. Fresh as fuck, I put it on her. I did this shit. Got this fine, hold no makeup, and she still in bad as shit. She in school, but it's cool, yeah, I still my baddest bitch. I'm as footed like a pool, yeah, my necklace with this shit. Balenciaga too, bitch, I'm flying. Bitch, I wake up, no stylish. Fresh as fuck.